And welcome back. Second half action now. Relegation threatened Harbour View got 3 crucial points by beating Mount Pleasant FA 1-0 in their rescheduled Rain FA Jamaica Premier League game at the compound on Thursday. Captain Trayvon Reid got the all-important goal, converting from the penalty spot in the 14th minute. Head coach of Harbour View, Lenrith Hyde, was pleased with what he saw.
Very good match. The last interview that I did, things I spoke about in the team that we were lacking, I saw most of it today. The fight, that character, that determination, we saw it today. And this is what's going to take us out of the relegations, with some good football to go with it. But the determination and the fight and that will, I saw it in the players today.
Meanwhile, head coach of Mount Pleasant FA, Theodore Tapper Whitmore, says this is a game they have to put behind them.
It's a game that really hard to sum up. I think there's nothing about this game this afternoon to talk about. I must say congrats to the Harbour View team. I think they put up a spirited performance, but there's not much I can talk about.
Harbour View are now on 19 points, 3 away from safety, while Mount Pleasant are still in 4th on 41 points. The competition continues on Sunday.